How to connect your MacBook Neo to a Bluetooth speaker. Let's start from the beginning. Step number one is to put your Bluetooth speaker in pairing mode. So depending which model you have, you may have a pairing button, or on some of them, like this on Bluetooth speaker, I have to keep press the power button during around 5 seconds while the device is off.
Power on. Bluetooth pairing.
Alright, so this speaker is now in pairing mode. Set it aside your MacBook, and now we have to go in the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, select System Settings, select Bluetooth, and where you see Nearby Devices, your speaker will be there. Simply click on Connect.
Bluetooth connected.
And just like that, you heard the speaker got instantly connected, and all the sound will come out of here instead of the speakers of your MacBook. But what if you want to switch back to the speakers, the internal speakers of the computer? Well, first thing you can do is to simply turn off the speaker itself.
Power on.
And the sound will revert automatically to the internal speakers. Or another thing that you can do, let me just power on my speaker.
Power on.
So right now,
Bluetooth pairing.
the sound is coming out of it.
Bluetooth connected.
So right now the sound is coming out of my speaker. If you go on the top right corner, right over here, click on this icon, select Sound. You'll be able to switch between the internal speakers of the MacBook Neo or your Bluetooth speaker, simply by clicking like this. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if you appreciate my video, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.